Lay down your burden, lay down your care. The Holy Virgin, she's gonna greet you up there with a big can of spray paint, yeah, and a big blank wall. And I can guarantee, yeah, there ain't no cops around at all. Graffiti limbo, where do you go? Graffiti limbo, when there ain't no justice. I only speak for myself, but the word around town is there something shaking, yeah, in the underground. I only speak for myself, but the word on the street is that the writing's on the wall, yeah, and the cops on the beat. Graffiti limbo, where do you go? Graffiti limbo, when there ain't no justice. Now I wrote this song for Michael Stewart. Michael Stewart was a young black graffiti artist who was arrested while writing graffiti on a subway wall.